What's going on, tubers? TMT Racing here. Well, today we're going to unbox a wide angle lens converter for your HD camcorder. I picked this one up from New World Video, nvw.com. It was about $100. I tried out one of the cheap ones from Best Buy and it left black edges in the corner of my screen. So I went ahead and I spent the extra money and I picked up this HD one from, again, nwv.com. So let's get into her and see what's going on. Alright, well, got a little manual there, says 15-year warranty on it. Alright, that's what we want right there. So let's open that up. Look at that, it comes in a nice little wooden box. Digital Vision, high definition, limited edition. And it's got a nice little case there. Alright, well that's what we want to see right there. Looks like nice sturdy construction. HD Digital Vision 0.45 high definition digital lens with macro. Made in Japan. So let's see what this thing does. Very important when you're ordering this thing, make sure you get the right filter size. You don't want to use any adapters. That's what causes the black squares. And look at the difference in that. Wow, I can see way over here. Wow, what a difference. So that's with the lens. And without the lens. So with the lens, oh yeah, well there you go, tubers. Digital Vision, high definition, 0.45 magnification lens for your HD camcorder. Looks like this one's a good one. No black edges in the corners here. So yeah, there you go, tubers. Now what I'll do is I'll take a video with my phone here and kind of show you what it looks like on the camera. Alright, tubers, this is what I'm working with here. We got a JVC HD camcorder. That's the camcorder without the lens. Let's go ahead and so you can get an idea of the size of this thing. It's definitely pretty big. It does the job. So yeah, there you go. Yeah. Alright, tubers, well, that's it, and y'all have a good day.